Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. This is the inspector summary video. This is a pass-fail video. This is a pre-load test evaluation. This structure must be structurally sound and painted. This is pre-existing non-conforming. You need an EPA renovator's license. And let's begin our video. Okay, this is considered D2. And basically you've got a steel structure here. See the channel here is like completely rusted out. And it looks like we're missing a beam here too. It's like this goes through, but there's nothing here, and I don't think it's connected in. I'll have to look underneath, but anyhow, let's start down the steps. You can see there's a grate here, and then it's all diamond plate for the steps. The clips are in horrible condition. Got a lot of rust and rust jacking. This is a lot worse than the other one even, and the other one was not so hot. The same type of staircase like this. There are 10 steps. And let me bring you underneath. Show you what we got. Disaster. Look at that. Doesn't even look like it's a clip, but that was once a clip, and this was once a clip. So these things are close to failing. I mean, I'm walking on them, but they're really, really in bad shape. So they're becoming a life safety issue rapidly. So that definitely has to be looked into. And it's the same, it's worse. Actually, it's bad on both sides. Yeah, these things are definitely ready to go. Okay, so you can see you have like a diamond plate, and then you have your clip, and these clips are in horrid shape. So this definitely fails, and it's definitely borderline life safety issues. Okay, so let me just give you another shot here. The railings are a 2-inch diameter hollow. They're welded on, and there's an intermediary. Then again, you have your 3-foot by 10-inch tread, and then your stringer is a 10 by 1.5-inch channel on both sides there. And that follows suit all the way around for the structural support for the platform. And then you got a 3x3 post back there that acts to transfer the load into the ground. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineer. Quick note on dissing a rail along the building side, and that's in Brooklyn.
Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.